Welcome to Taste Your C Skill. Today I am going to teach you copying and comparing the structure variable. So two variable of a same structure type can be copied in the same way as we are copying the basic variable. Okay. For example, student 1 and student 2 belong to the same structure student. Then we can write student 1 equal to student 2 or student 2 equal to student 1. So we can use assignment operator with structure variable if both are of same type, but we cannot use comparison operator with or equal operator with structure variable. So we cannot write student 1 equal to student 2 because comparison operator will not work with your structure variable. So if we want to compare the variable of structure, okay, we have to comparing the element by element or the variable by variable. Okay, we will see with the help of the example. So consider one structure student which contain two member variable. One is name and second is enrollment number. And we have created two variable of struct student, that is s1 and s2. Assume we have taken a value of s1 dot name and s1 dot enrollment number from user. Now when I am going to write s2 equal to s1, what happened? It will perform or it will copy s1 dot name into s2 dot name and s1 dot enrollment number into s2 dot enrollment number. So all the member variable of structure s1 one by one will be copied into all the variable of structure s2. Okay, so that is one to one correspondence. That's why we need both the structure variable of same type. Consider this example. Okay, we have one structure student which contain name and enrollment number. Here we have initialized, okay, name with abc and roll number with 4. Now when I am going to write student 2 equal to student 1, what happened? This student 1 dot name will be copied into student 2 dot name and student 1 dot roll will be copied into student 2 dot roll number. So what is output here? That is abc and 4. Now if you want to compare if you want to compare whether the student name is same or not, what you have to do, you have to use comparison operator with member variable. We cannot write student 2 equal to student 2 equal to student 1. Okay, so for that we have to do a comparison element by element, or we can say a member by member. So here we have used string library string compare function to compare two string. So we have compared student 1 dot name with student 2 dot name. If both are same, then it will return 0. And we are checking also roll number, that is student 1 dot roll equal to student 2 dot roll, then it will print both are same. Okay, so when you want to perform you can copy the structure variable, okay, with the help of assignment operator. But in order to use equal operator with structure, we have to perform member by member comparison. Okay, thank you.